Yeah, this is Ely, Nevada. Not much going on here. I just got some fuel and we are headed out to Great Basin National Park. And I really hope that I can get a camp spot there for the next 2 or 3 days. At least that is my plan. But before we continue on, I'm going to hit my favorite gas station to do a windshield wiping, and that's Love's, because Love's has really long extended window scrubbers and squeegees. And I wonder if I should get myself a little Carl's Jr. while we're at it. I need to lose some weight, so I'm going to avoid the Carl's Jr. and I'm going to continue cooking my own food. Well, folks, we made it. We made it to the most unpopular national park in the United States of America, Great Basin National Park. And I'm gonna head on in and see if I can't get myself a campground for a few nights and enjoy some of what Great Basin has to offer. We are at the Lehman Caves Visitor Center. I'm not sure if their visitor center is closed, so I guess we'll have to keep driving. According to ChatGPT, the only first come, first served campground in the park is called the Upper Lehman Campground. So we're gonna go see if there's any openings there first. Elevation 7,500 feet, and here is the Upper Lehman Creek Campground. Let's see if we can find a spot where I can harvest some solar. There's a spot right here that looks pretty open. Number 10. We'll see what else we got up here. Is this a dead end? That's trailhead parking that way. So number 10 is all by itself. And I think people avoided it because it's in a lot of direct sunlight, which is exactly what I want. First things first. SpaceX Starlink, go. Looks perfect, 160. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work for me. Well, let's get out and have a look. Site number 10. That's old, from a couple days ago. This is gonna work perfectly for me. They left some wood behind. You can hear some water rushing. Let's go take a look real quick, guys. Look at this. I dig it. I gotta make sure I give Luca his tick medicine though. I'm not sure if the ticks are out yet, but we gotta be sure he's not gonna get sick. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna let him out. I'm gonna go pay for a night, and this will be our spot. 2 picnic tables, 1 picnic table, 2 picnic tables. Cook up some burgers up here tonight, maybe. Fire pit, bear boxes, and there's another site right over here. I like my spot. The big van creates the privacy I want behind there, but I'm gonna have to level out on the front here. Tilting way down. Need to level out big time. I'm gonna back the van up to here and level. That looks pretty good, actually. Let's get Luke out of here for a few minutes. Wait a minute. That's still really slopey, huh? Fuck. laundry day. Got my jeans out here drying up, and they're drying pretty quick. A couple t-shirts there, a couple towels here, and got a chair full of stuff. Underwear, socks, swim trunks, and for some reason flies and bugs of all sorts, bees, hornets, they love my clothes right now. They are just everywhere. Smelling the clean clothes. This is actually the first time I've ever done laundry in my sink, but I've been meaning to do it for a while. I purposely picked up merino wool clothing, t-shirts and underwear and socks, and not all of it's merino wool, but generally speaking, you can wear merino wool for several days, you know, a week, maybe 2 weeks if you really want to, without it stinking too bad or getting too filthy. And they're supposed to be really easy to wash. So that's what I did today. And I also washed jeans and towels and whatnot. And we're gonna let that sit here and dry. And I took out the bike already to get some firewood from all the campers that left. This is what this came from. And I pretty much have checked all of the spots, but I'm gonna do one more round and see if I can't gather up some more. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave tomorrow. There's all sorts of bugs for some reason right now. I mean, it's a nice warm day out today and beautiful, but a little too many bugs and too many hornets flying around my face, and I'd rather move along, I think. So yeah, guys, today's just gonna be a chill day. For now, it is time to go gather some more firewood. Take you guys along for the ride and go for a little ride around the campground here and check things out. Originally, I was planning to stay here at Great Basin National Park for 3 or 4 nights. Last night was night 2. And today I'm picking up early and heading out of here for one reason and one major reason only. I'm not sure if I parked on a wasp nest or what. But yesterday, the wasps in this area, getting inside my van was brutal. And I'm not going to deal with that anymore. Not just the wasps, but also the horse flies, the regular flies, regular bees, hornets, all that stuff. I think I must have parked right on top of a nest. So it's about 9 o'clock this morning, and we're gonna get the hell out of here. My couch goes in the bottom, along with tools and towing accessories, and then the top one rotates like this, and that gets locked in place. I'm gonna leave this firewood here for the next visitor and clean up after people, and we're gonna hit the road before the bugs come out. That's basically it, all there's to it. Also, I need to inflate my tires some more because I purposely deflated them to try to get my van level on this stupid spot. That's also been really annoying about camping here, is this spot is super unlevel. I have a leveling box over here, but it just wasn't enough. So I let out a bunch of air on my passenger side to try to drop that side down a couple inches. It still isn't enough. Got the air compressor here, and I gotta put air back in the tires before I leave. Although the park seems nice, I've been overall I've just been frustrated with being here, mostly due to the crazy amount of wasps. And I had like 4 of them in my van yesterday, and they're leaving and they're bringing stuff back to nest in there. And no, you're not gonna live in my van, and I'm not gonna be here anymore. So what do I say, guys? Not everything is perfect in this world of van life living, and sometimes you just gotta keep on trucking. So I'm gonna give Luca a quick walk here, but before we leave the park, I am going to take the scenic drive up to Wheeler Peak. So we'll do that before we head out of here, since we're here already. And yeah, then we'll be on the road. Looks like we've made it to the point where we can make it no further. There you have it, folks. Wheeler Peak. Well, nothing to see in there.